In this video, I will be showing you how to create an action figure in ChatGPT. Let's get started. I start by opening a new browser tab on Google Chrome and heading straight to chatgpt.com. Once the interface loads, I click on the search bar area at the bottom where it says, Ask Anything. Here, I type out a detailed image generation prompt. Generate the actual image of a highly detailed collectible action figure displayed inside premium retail toy packaging. Include realistic 3D rendering, accessories, professional studio lighting, luxury packaging design, realistic textures, and retail quality product photography. Do not provide instructions or a prompt. Generate the finished image. After double-checking the text, I click the Send button on the right side of the input field. ChatGPT immediately acknowledges the request and begins the image generation process, displaying a grid of dots alongside the message, Creating Image. The interface keeps me updated on its progress with status notes like, sketching it out, followed by, making the first draft, setting the scene, polishing details, finishing up, adding final touches, and finally, one last tweak. The generating process takes a moment, allowing the AI to piece together all the detailed elements of the requested design. Once the rendering completes, a stunning image of a dark warrior action figure named Shadow Sentinel appears on screen. The character is outfitted in intricate black and gold armor, holding a matching sword, and is beautifully showcased inside an authentic-looking collector's box. I click on the image to open it in a larger viewer window. To save this creation to my device, I click on the download button located in the upper right corner of the panel. A confirmation pop-up shows that the high-resolution PNG file has successfully downloaded. Next, I click the button to expand the image into a separate window to inspect the craftsmanship more closely. I zoom in and pan down the figure, examining the fine textures on the armored plates, the realistic hair detailing on the character's head, and the variety of included accessories like the intricately sculpted hilts on the swords and daggers. I slide down further to appreciate the retail branding, noting details like the Ages 15+ warning label, the Shadow Sentinel Legends Collection title plates, and the Authentic Collector Edition stamp marking it as number 1827 out of 2000. Finally, I zoom back out to view the entire packaging concept as a whole, completely finished and ready for production inspiration. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.